Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Put the car in ACC or on so the wireless pad receives power. Place the phone on the pad centered over the coil. You'll feel or see the LED change. Make sure the phone screen faces up and any rugged or metal case is removed because those block or misalign charging. Once done, watch the phone's charging icon and pad indicator. If both show charging, you're good to go. If not, adjust slightly until alignment is confirmed. Now you'll fine-tune alignment. Slide the phone slowly around the center until the charging icon appears, because small shifts can drop power substantially. Use a thin silicone or plastic case if you want protection. Wireless power tolerates up to a few millimeters of non-metallic material. Once aligned, secure the phone in the tray or with a clip so normal driving bumps won't break contact. Make sure vents or heavy heat sources aren't directing hot air at the phone, since heat reduces charging efficiency. Complete the process by confirming steady charging and noting the rate, fast or slow, because driving conditions and power output change charge speed. If charging stops, first recenter the phone, then reboot the phone and toggle the car power, because a simple reset often restores negotiation between devices. If problems persist, remove all cards and metal objects, try a different case, and check the car manual for pad firmware or compatibility notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.